Welcome to the Cellix video channel. In this video, we'll be looking at visualizing flow rates. This is where you can use a flow sensor to obtain real-time flow rate feedback. The flow sensor can be optionally connected to an Exco pump and must be connected to a Unigo or 4U pump. Each flow sensor is plug and play. You can connect it to your pump whenever you want. Once the flow sensor is connected, it will be recognized, and you can check this in the Home tab, where the flow sensor indicator will appear. In the Manual tab, after plugging in your flow sensor, the real-time flow rate measurements will appear. You might notice it's possible to record the measure flow rates in a particular assay when running in manual mode. You can find more details on this in section 10 of the manual or in section 10 of our video series. When running a Unigo or 4U pump, it's possible to switch the feedback units between flow units and pressure units. To switch units, click on the flow and pressure switch within the manual tab. If you'd like to learn more about our microfluidic solutions, check out our website at wearecellix.com or contact us using the info on screen or in the description below.